In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Wix Premium Auto Renewal 2026 step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stop your Wix Premium plan from renewing automatically without affecting your live site or losing features before the current term ends. First, head to Wix.com and sign in to your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Make sure you're using the right account if you manage multiple sites, because changes apply to the specific subscriptions under that login. Next, go to your account menu. In the top right corner, click your profile icon to open the dropdown. From there, choose Premium Subscriptions. This is the quickest way into your billing area. You could also reach it through account settings, but Premium Subscriptions takes you directly to the place we need. Inside Premium Subscriptions, you'll see all your active services listed together, such as site plans, domains, mailboxes, and apps. Find the site plan you want to modify. If you have several sites, double check the site name and plan details so you're changing the correct one. To turn off auto renewal, open the More Actions menu beside that plan. It looks like 3 dots. Click that and select Cancel Plan. Here's the key point. On Wix, turning off auto renewal is labeled as canceling the plan. This does not delete your site, remove your content, or stop your premium features immediately. It only prevents the next payment from being charged when the current term ends. A confirmation window will pop up. Wix may ask for a reason or suggest alternatives, but to proceed, click Cancel Now. You should then see a confirmation stating that your plan remains active until its expiration date. For example, if you bought a yearly plan and you cancel halfway through, your premium features will keep working until the end of that year. It's a good idea to note that expiration date so you know exactly when the premium features will stop. If you also want to stop charges for related services, remember that domains and business emails such as Google Workspace are separate subscriptions. You'll need to repeat the same steps for each one you no longer want to renew. Work through your list in premium subscriptions and apply the change to each relevant item. Finally, check the inbox associated with your Wix account. You should receive a confirmation email within a few minutes. Keep that message for your records as proof that auto renewal has been turned off. That's it. Simple, deliberate, and fully under your control. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.